Hello everybody and welcome back. We are here today to do the winners drawing for the Bugtopia challenges. Myself and Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors created a kit called Bugtopia. I was selling half in my Etsy shop and Ko-fi page, and Mandy had her half in her Etsy shop as well. We also had a lot of challenges going on throughout June, and today's the day where we go through the winners drawing. So those that participated, if they just used the freebies, then you get one entry per post that you make in the Facebook group. If you bought our kits and used those either as well as the freebies or instead of the freebies, then you got 2 entries per post that you made in the Facebook group throughout June. So I'm doing a drawing for those that posted in the Nonstop Papercrafts Facebook group. Mandy will also be doing a winner's drawing if you posted in her Facebook group, Sunflowers and Doors. So you have double the chance of winning. Now, there has been so much participation this month, so I started writing all the names down and the numbers, and it even goes on the back, and I even started going up the side. 134 entries, so that's absolutely massive. I do want to say a huge thank you to everybody, and a bit of an apology as well. It's been a crazy busy month. My sister's got married. We're coming up to the end of the summer term at school, so work's been crazy busy. So I haven't been as active as I would have liked to have been in the Facebook group. I know Mandy's also been away on holiday, so June's actually just been crazy busy for both of us. But a huge thank you going through and seeing everybody's work as I'm writing down the names. There are just some amazing, incredible projects. So if you're ever looking for some inspiration, doesn't have to be about using these papers. It could be just some inspiration on some projects you would like to try. Go and check out the Facebook groups, go and check out the posts that are being made, because there are really some fantastic projects going on in there. And like I said, not just necessarily with these kits, but with any kits. Right, so let's get on with the winner's drawing. Now, normally I do a big wheel, but trying to type in that many names and that many numbers just seemed like a big fuss. So I'm going to use my iPad and I'm going to ask Siri to pick a number. So obviously it's between 1 and 134. There will be 3 winners, and the winners that win from me from this drawing, you can pick a kit from my Etsy shop. Let me know which kit you would like and I can send that to you for free. When Mandy does her drawing from her Facebook group, you obviously get to pick from her shop, so it's fair between us. Okay, so I'm going to ask Siri to pick a winner. There will be 3 winners, so let's see who's first. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 134. Okay, she's picked 41. I don't know if you can see that on the screen. I don't think you can because it's at the top. Hang on, let me just bring it down to where you can see it. Is that a bit better? Can you see that now? So it was 41. So I'm just going to find my pencil. I've lost it. Let's just grab any old pen. And 41 is Valerie. So congratulations, Valerie. You are the first winner. So when I get Siri to do the next number, if Valerie's name pops up again, I will just redo it again because I want 3 individual winners. So Valerie, you can choose a kit from my Etsy shop. Just let me know which one you would like. You can message me either through Etsy or via Facebook Messenger. As you are part of the Facebook group, you should be able to find me. Okay, winner number 2. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 134. Oh, 104, so that's on the back. Let's have a look. 104, that is Lorraine. So well done, Lorraine. You are winner number 2. Okay, third and final winner. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 134. Number 27. So we're back over onto this side. Number 27 is Mel. Well done, Mel. Again, a massive thank you to everybody that has participated and joined in with these challenges. It's an incredible list this time. Like I said, so many people joining in. Lots of new names. which has been nice. Perhaps they've come over from Mandy's group, but it has been absolutely amazing, as I said, seeing everybody's projects. I know Mandy and I are absolutely blown away and very, very grateful to those that have been purchasing the kit. It has been amazing. So thank you so much to everybody that has been creating and sharing their projects in the Facebook groups. Well, that's all from me today. July is looking to be another busy month, but hopefully a very creative month. I will be doing a video probably middle of this coming week. I'm going to share the lap book that I have made with the Bugtopia kits. I've done a mixture of mine and Mandy, so I'll be showing that. It's still not quite finished yet, which is why I'm not showing it today. And I will also give you a bit of an update of what's happening for July. There will be a new kit release, but it will be coming out on Friday, which I think is the 4th of July. So it will come out on Friday with the first challenge for that then starting next Sunday. But lots of other exciting things happening as well. So do stay tuned. If you are not already a subscriber, I would really love for you to do so. Please make sure that you're clicking that bell, that way you are notified of any new crafty videos. I'm very excited about what's coming up for July, so I'm excited to see you again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.